Ever dreamt of building your own house from scratch? Well, stick with me, and I'll walk you through the basic steps to turn that dream into a solid reality. First things first, planning is key. Before you even think about breaking ground, you need a detailed plan. That means blueprints, permits from your local government, and a clear budget. Remember, a well-laid plan is the foundation of any great construction. Now let's dig into the groundwork. Excavation is the first physical step. You'll need to clear the site and dig out the foundation. This is heavy-duty work, so heavy machinery will become your best friend. But it's not just about digging holes. You need to ensure the soil is stable enough to support your house. Otherwise, you might be building on shaky ground. With the excavation done, it's time to pour the foundation. This could be a slab, crawl space, or a full basement. Your choice depends on your house design and the climate of the area. Pouring the foundation correctly is crucial. After all, it's what holds up your entire house. Now brace yourself for the framing stage. This is where your house starts to take shape. Walls go up, floors are laid, and roofs are framed. This stage really feels like a giant 3D puzzle, and seeing it come together is incredibly rewarding. Next up, we're talking utilities. Electrical wiring, plumbing, and maybe even heating systems need to be installed at this point. It's a complex job, so hiring professionals is usually the way to go. Safety first, always. Finally, the finishes. This is where your house really starts to look like a home. Painting, installing doors and windows, and putting in flooring. Each choice reflects your personal style, turning a house into your home. Building a house from scratch is no small feat, but it's a journey worth every drop of sweat and every penny spent. Remember, the key to successful house building is planning, patience, and persistence. So what are you waiting for? Grab those tools and let's start building. Trust me, standing in a home that you built with your own hands is an unmatched feeling. Let's make it happen.